Pak Study MCQs Part 2. Which city of Pakistan held the OIC conference in 1997? Islamabad. In which year OIC was founded? 1990, 1969. Length of common border of Pakistan and Afghanistan 2430 km. The Kargil incident happened in 1999. Which country assisted Pakistan in the contribution of Sandak project? China. When was Liaquat Nehru Pact between Pakistan and India signed? In 1950. Who was the first woman governor of State Bank of Pakistan? Dr. Shamshad Akhtar. Mirpur is famous city of Azad Kashmir. What is the total area of Balochistan? 347,190 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर यानी 3,47,190 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. What is the total area of Sindh province? 1,40,914 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. What is the total area of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province? 74,521 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. What is the total area of FATA? 27,220 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. What is the total area of Islamabad Capital Territory यानी ICT? 906 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. GHQ stand for General Headquarters. KRL stand for Khan Research Laboratories. Who was the first CNC of Pakistan Navy? Jeffrey James. Frank Misery was the first CNC of Pakistan Army. Pierre Kane was the first CNC of Pakistan Air Force. The first Chief of Staff of Pakistan Army was General Taka Khan. Zafar Ahmad Chaudhry was the first Chief of Air Staff of Air Force. Defense Day is observed on 6th December. The headquarters of Air Force is located in Islamabad. The highest official rank of Air Force is Air Chief Marshal. The highest common operational military award is Sitare Basalat. Pakistan tested its nuclear device on 28 May 1998. Bakhtar's second missile system is anti-tank. The range of Hataf 1 is 100 km. The range of Hataf 2 is 180 km. The range of Hataf 3 is 290 km. The range of Hataf 4 is 750 km. The latest version of Hataf 5 is Ghori 1. The range of Ghori 1 is 1200 to 1500 km. The highest official rank of Pakistan Army is General. Who was the first Muslim CNC of Pakistan Army? Field Marshal Ayub Khan. Who was the first Muslim CNC of Air Force? Air Marshal Asghar Khan. Who was the first Muslim CNC of Pakistan Navy? Admiral Muhammad Sadiq. The largest cantonment of Pakistan Army is located in Khairan. HIT stand for Heavy Industries Texala. The range of Hataf 3 is 290 km. ये तो हो चुके हैं. In which of the following city Pakistan Naval Staff College is located? In Karachi. In which of the following city the Pakistan Navy War College is located? In Lahore. In which of the following city of Pakistan Command and Staff College is located? Quetta. In which of the following city National Defense University located? In Islamabad. In which of the following city Army Medical College is located? In Rawalpindi. In which of the following city Military College of Engineering is located? In Risalpur. In which of the following city Military College Jhelum is located? In Sarai Alamgir. Who was the sixth chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee? General Shamim Alam Khan. The capital of KPK is Peshawar. Who was the first Chief Minister of KPK? Khan Abdul Qayyum Khan. The area of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is 74,521 square kilometer. How many police rings are in KPK? 8 rings. World largest tribal society is Pakhtun. Lord of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is written by Andre Singer. The Pakhtunwali is ethical code. Masjid Mabad Khan is located in Peshawar. Pakistan Academy for Rural Development is situated in Peshawar. How many districts are there in KPK? 34. Pakistan Forest Institution is located in Peshawar. Jamrod Fort is located near Peshawar. Which area is called gun factory of the tribal areas? Darra Adam Khail. Who was the first Muslim governor of KPK after independence of Pakistan? Sahibzada Muhammad Khurshid. The Chowk Yadgar is located in Peshawar. Peshawar means city of flowers. Chowk Yadgar, Peshawar commemorate the horses of the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Bala Hisar Fort is located in Peshawar. Kalam and Bahrain are important tourist points of Swat Valley. Which mountain range is separated Pakistan and Afghanistan? The Hindu Kush. Kaghan Valley is called Pearl of the Himalaya. The local language of KPK is Pashto, Hindko, Chitrali, all of them. The highest mountain of KPK is Tarjmeer. The largest city of KPK is Peshawar. Torbela Dam is located in KPK. The area of Sindh is 140,914 square kilometer. How many divisions are there in Sindh? 6. Kirtar Hills are located in Sindh. The Indus River falls into Arabian Sea. Archaeologists have identified some 400 Indus civilization towns scattered from Kabul to Delhi. Mohenjo-daro is famous town of the Indus civilization located on west of the Indus River. Sindhi language is based on Arabic. Lari language is spoken in Lower Sindh. Where is the National Museum of Pakistan located in Karachi? How many districts are there in Sindh? 29. Gadani is famous for ship breaking. The largest cotton exchange building of Pakistan is situated in Karachi. Clifton Beach is located in Karachi. Kalaji Lake, Kedero Lake and Kinjar Lake are located in Sindh. Shah Jahan Mosque is located in Thatta. Manchar Lake is situated near none of them. University of Karachi is located in Karachi. The Desh motorway connects the cities of Hyderabad and Karachi in the Sindh province of Pakistan. M9 motorway. Ghulam Muhammad Barrage is also called Kotri Barrage. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.